Guys, do you know in today's world, privacy policies are so important that it's like a paramount for us. Attackers and scammers are so highly active these days that they need just one little mistake of yours to make you lose anything or everything. And WhatsApp is their prime target these days. So in today's video, we'll be learning how to activate your WhatsApp's IP Protect features so that these scammers won't be able to trace you or the locations you frequently visit in routine. Guys, this feature works as a shield for you when you call someone on WhatsApp by rerouting the connection between the two using WhatsApp server instead of two individual devices. So, first of all, open up your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then go to the settings, tap on privacy. Then scroll down and tap on advanced section. You'll find an option stating protect IP address in calls. Switch it to enable it on. And you are done with it. WhatsApp will add an additional layer of rerouting the services whenever you call someone on WhatsApp calls. If you find this video useful and informative, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And I'll meet you in the next one. Keep watching.